Hello, my name is Caroline Carbo, and I'm a member of the Product Definition team at the Dassault Systèmes SOLIDWORKS company. Today, I am going to show you how you can check a model that you have designed for additive manufacturing against your 3D printer's build volume without having to export the model from SOLIDWORKS. I am also going to show you how to manage a favorites folder that contains all of the 3D printers that you want to access easily every time you 3D print. Here's how it works. Once you have a finished model that you want to 3D print, click File and Print3D. This will launch the Print3D Property Manager. On the Settings tab, the message in the yellow box guides the Print3D workflow. This tab is also where you select a printer, orient and scale your model within that printer's build volume, select print options for quality, infill percentage, supports, and raft, and save the current file to a format used for 3D printing. The Preview tab is where you run analyses to evaluate the print job. You can identify faces that require support, display striation lines to determine whether the print resolution is sufficiently fine, and perform a thickness gap analysis. A new option on this tab in SOLIDWORKS 2020 allows you to generate slices for 3MF export. Starting on the Settings tab, first select the bottom plane of the model to rest on the print bed. The print volume now appears as a transparent graphic around the model. To verify that the model fits inside of your printer's build volume, you will need to select your printer. Under Printer, Custom Printer is automatically selected, but clicking on the drop-down menu now shows a new option in SOLIDWORKS 2020 called Manage Favorites, which will allow you to add your 3D printers to this drop-down menu for quick and easy access. Clicking on Manage Favorites brings up the 3D Printers dialog box. The comprehensive list of 3D printers in this dialog box has been compiled from Wohler's report, which is an industry-leading report on additive manufacturing and 3D printing. Simply select one of your printers from this list and click Add to Favorites, or right-click on a printer and click Add to Favorites. You can also use the search bar at the top to find a printer to add to the Favorites folder. Exiting the search allows us to see all 3 printers that we have added to the Favorites folder. These are the printers that will appear in the drop-down menu for quick and easy access. You can reorder how the printers will be displayed by right-clicking and clicking Move Up or Move Down. You can also remove a printer from the list by selecting Remove from Favorites. Once you have finished formatting the printers list, click Close to return to the Print3D Property Manager. Now, when we click the drop-down menu, our printers show up in the same order as in the Favorites folder. The same favorited printers will now be available in future sessions of SOLIDWORKS, so you should only have to repeat this process when your 3D printers change. Selecting one, adjust the width, depth, and height of the build volume, and the printer's name appears on the graphic. Note that you can easily change printers to find the one that is the best fit for your job.